Jim Thorpe with station stops in Penobscot and Whitehaven. So we get going this morning and we do have a few important announcements. First, there is a restroom available for your convenience in each of the Crown Class coaches. If you have any belongings with you, please store them in the racks overhead, on the floor of your feet, but not in the aisles nor the seats. And we do ask that passengers please do not consume alcoholic beverages while on board the train. We strive to have a family-friendly atmosphere, and we appreciate your cooperation. Our operator crew today is engineer Travis, we have conductor Daniel, car host Joe, and your onboard ticket agent, manager, snack bar attendant, narrator, jack of all trades, master of none is Tim. And we're using the Red and Blue Mountain Northern Engine 2023, an EMD GP38-2 that we repainted last year to help celebrate the 40th anniversary of our railroad that was founded in 1983. Our train is made up of coaches from the Reading and Northern Dailies passenger fleet. We also have a dining car in the middle of the train, number 1168, where we have coffee, bottled water, soda, snacks, and souvenir t-shirts available for cash purchases.
You know what I mean? I can stick her in my pocket here. And I still didn't do it.
Yeah, it is. Yep. Yep, I think so too.
Probably bring it up under there. Yeah, if you have a hard time getting in touch with
It must be the station there.
I didn't know that it was just so I made the one wheat sauce, and then I realized that there were two.
Hey, you guys,
Now we go see it again. Here. Sit right. About that.
3. Look to your right, you can see straight down into the Lehigh River. You can also see our brand new bridge over the Lehigh, more than 20 years in the making. This bridge opened for service on February 4th, 2020, and allows the Reading and Northern Railroad a progressive move between Pittston and key points south, such as Tamaqua, Port Clinton, and Reading. If you look to your left, you'll get our first glimpse of Jim Thorpe down in the distance. We'll be arriving in town in just a few minutes. Also here at Nesquehoning Junction, we'll pass the abandoned PQ coach number as you'll have the same seat for the return trip. The train will not be accessible while you're in town, so please take anything you may need with you. You may, of course, leave anything you wish on the train. No one will tamper with it. The train will be completely turned from the northbound run back to Pittston. Therefore, the first car on the way down will also be the first car on the way back this afternoon. You'll have the same seat, but it'll be on the opposite side of the train going back. Again, we'll begin boarding at 3:45.
Look at this guy.
And there's our Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway Excursion passing us on the right.
Chunk. Look at that. A lot of people on there. Look at that. Open air.
Okay, Tim, what car number are we?
2024.
What car number are you at? Trying to get Blondie going here.
She's like, my husband's here. I don't need my brain. Listen, when he was saying everything, I was watching my father. I'm like,
Hey, birthday boy, how you feeling?